Hey guys, what's up? So 2 inch top best rate sheets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first sheet is called Compact Battery Avocado. Show battery percent on 2x2 battery widget for iOS 14. Next sheet is called Kaleidoscope and Limitless Color Customization iOS 13. Next sheet is called Call Log Pro iOS 8 to 14, and what it does allows you to manage your calls history and delete calls records one by one or all for the iOS firmwares starting with iOS 8.0. Next is called What to Suit for WhatsApp, and makes WhatsApp easier to use and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. So it supports iOS 9 to 14. You have these features right here. Next is called What to Suit 3 for WhatsApp, and all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. Next is called Crashed, and version 4.2.0 actually. So just was updated, so it's useful crash reporting design to help developers identify and fix crashes. So if your device does crash, like an app crashes, it tells you, like, it tries to tell you the crash log for it to identify what exactly is crashing it. Next is called Trading View iOS widget. Watch currency, crypto, and indexes scroll right across your home screen. So pretty cool. Next is called Juice and unparalleled battery customization. This is called Assistive Touch X. Place the default Assistive Touch icons with ones from the iPhone X. You may see Assistive Touch icon around. This is called Little XX. Enables iPhone X everything and more on iOS 11 and 12 devices. You have these features right here. And screenshots. This is called Assistive Touch Flip Switch. Make sure your iDevice has the Assistive Touch feature. This is called Streak Notify. Take Snapchat Streak seriously. Make sure you know how much time you have left to respond with a certain notification. So, pretty cool. Also, Streak Notifications adds 100% emoji for when your Snapchat streak reaches day 100. Next is called Yo Carry. Adds support for certain apps not working, like Twitter. Never made a release post for this week, so his explanation gives you the options to open in-app web pages directly on Safari while automatically closing the browser tab in the app. So, next is called Not Findable. Add iOS 14 support. Paused music like 2 hours ago. Why is it now playing Where You Still on my lock screen? So, get rid of that. This is called Heartlines. I know there's something trembling in the Heartlines. Brings a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. This is called ETN HTML. Run HTML widgets on your lock screen and home screen. This is called Snapper 2. Pin screenshots on the screen. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. So you crop portion of the screen, keep it floating on the screen, just like that. If it's OCR not working for some reason, iOS 14.x, add new options for OCR and adds new credit screen and settings. Next is called Swipe Extender X. Reinvent your keyboard with the full remake of legendary tweak. So bring back life into your keyboard. Next is called Smart Battery 2. Ultimate tweak to monitor, save, and tune your battery. Next is called Convert CK. Official iOS 14 support. So hide and mute conversations in the Messages app. This is called Translo. Let's see your translate tweak. So makes your life easy when chatting with foreigners. So you can change the language anything you want with ease, without going back and forth. And using Google Translate, this makes it a lot more easier, faster, and simpler. Supports these apps right here. Works iOS 12, 13, and 14, and it's free. This is called Miro Share Library for my tweets. This is called Non-Set143. Jailbreak app again SH2 files and send generators for iOS 14. This is called Files and File Managers. Also Files and File Manager 64-bit. And what they do is they are a file manager for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Supports iOS 7 and higher. This is called Jellyfish. Natural, simple, beautiful redesign your lock screen with Jellyfish. Supports iOS 13.0 to 14.3. This is called Emoji Port, iOS 12.0 to 14.4. Latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14.4. This is called Emoji Port, iOS 10 to 11.4. Only compatible with iOS 10 to 11.4.1. Latest emojis for iOS 10 to 11.4. This is called True Cuts, tweak for serious shortcuts that enables all automations triggers to run without prompting. This is called libcs preferences, a preference library that doesn't suck. This is called Tooth Module. And quickly connect or disconnect from Bluetooth devices using the control center configure device and sends. Requires either CC support or Silo package. This is called LS Contacts bar anywhere you want. This is called Court notifications redefined. This is called Facebook No Ads. Free open source tweak for Facebook. Removes ads, download videos, download stories. Can only me profile picture, or that means disable story scene, hide composer, hide stories, support iOS 12 to 14, supports latest Facebook version. If it doesn't work, you should update to the app to the latest version, greater than or equal to 307.0. And the last tweak is called End Control. And this tweak does is allows you to use your Sony DualShock 4, Slim, Xbox One, or Evo VR Pro mini controllers, Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers. Any application that supports MFI, which is made for controllers or something. Provenance now supports iOS 14 support. So I don't know why they updated it, but there's nothing they updated. No changes. Like, what's the update for? But yeah, so you guys see, it allows you to connect like any controller. So I mean, before you couldn't actually do this with settings, but now you can use Bluetooth and settings to connect the controller. But for certain controllers, you cannot connect in Bluetooth and settings. So, for example, like if you do I think mini controllers, Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers. So like those two controllers, you can't, or even Evo VR Pro. You can't, you have to use this app. I don't think you use the Bluetooth and settings. But if you're connecting an Xbox One or PlayStation controller, then you could use the settings, Bluetooth, to connect the controller to your device. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.